All right guys, so it's time to check the chimney. However, I don't have a ladder tall enough to get up there, but I do have this 8-foot ladder right there, and I'm gonna use the GoPro the rest of the way to record inside the chimney, and you're gonna see it before I do, at least here. Okay. All right, I decided to get a flashlight so I can take a better look inside. There you go, got it. All right, round 2. Round numero dos. Isn't this fun? And this is only the beginning, by the way. Now if I fall, it's gonna be caught by that camera down there. That's the camera I use to record my wife's cooking videos. I don't know if you could see anything, but in a couple of hours, maybe tonight when I edit this video, I'll be able to tell if there's any creosote there. I'm sure there is, but I hope it's not blocking. All right, and this is where I'm gonna fill up the tank from above. Yep. I just need to undo this here, which is a good idea because, you know, it could fly away, I think. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna fill it. Let me put this back in case there's a strong wind or something. Yeah, this is a neat little idea. I like it. It's good for now. All right guys, so one more thing left here. I need to take out this lid so I can see inside the chimney. So, and this one just has one screw. Wow, it's rusted out. There's no handle or anything, or it appears there used to be, but it broke off. So I'm gonna tap it with this mallet. See if I can break it loose. I may be making it worse. All right guys, so I can't pull it out, so I'm gonna go to plan B, and plan B is no plan. I'm gonna have to figure out later how to take that out, but I don't want to press my luck because I could break it, or I can bend some of these stainless steel parts here. So yeah, it's got to be a way. I think I have it. I've been tapping it on the sides, making it loose, and it twists. Check this out. Whoa, oh my gosh, it's filled with creosote. And ash. That's a lot of ash. Wow. Alright guys, so I just took the lid off. Check it out. Wow, this is a close-up. That's a lot of ash. So I'm gonna bring the trash can here and take this out. That tells me that this chimney hasn't been maintained in years. Oh my. And it's humid too, not a good sign. Obviously because the chimney was never topped. They never put a top on top of it, but I will next year when I'm done with the heating season. So ay caramba guys, this is a lot of ash. See, this needs to be cleaned out every year. Every single year. Because if not, you're going to obstruct the obviously the performance of the boiler. Wow. Wow, check it out, man. I hope there's no birds or anything in there. Anything dead that may have fallen down the chimney. There you go guys. I just pulled all this that's in the front now. I pulled it from the back. Now the problem with this is that if you have all this ash buildup of probably years and it gets wet, obviously because the chimney's open up on top, then it's gonna get damp and it's gonna rust out your chimney from the inside. Yep, see that? It's damp. There we go guys. Can you see in there? It is filthy. So I'm gonna clean up with this rag. Wow, I can't believe how much ash was in here. And the problem with that is, as you can see, the ash is wet and it rots out the metal inside. See this? Yeah, it shouldn't be that way. Oh, it's already all rotted out. Wow. Yep. What a shame. What a shame. But at least I discovered it early on. I've only been here in this house for 2 months. I just moved in here. For those of you that are not aware, I never own a boiler, and I'm just basically doing some basic maintenance on it now. So yeah, I'm sure the boiler appreciates it. It's gonna be much happier now. It's gonna perform as it was designed to. So hey guys, I don't have a cap for that chimney. However, I have this bucket and I don't want it to get wet anymore, and I want it to stop rusting out, and it shouldn't now that all the ash is gone, but I want to protect it even further for the next few days until I turn it on. All right, let's get up there. So yeah, a bucket that you can get at Tractor Supply or any of the other hardware stores will do. And this one's gonna work just fine. Well, let me get up one more step. So here it is. There you go. I'm much happier now. There it is, guys. Yeah. Perfect. So look at this mess, guys. Filthy. I probably inhaled a lot of that, those ashes as well. All right. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build a handle for this. I'm gonna go to a hardware store, get a handle that's about that wide, and screw it in with bolts and nuts. That way I can just twist it easily anytime I need access to it, at least once a year. All right, guys, like I said earlier, I am no expert at boilers. I didn't even know what they were 2 months ago until I moved to this house. However, I want to thank Homestead Jay because I learned a lot from him. Over the last few years, he's been doing videos about that specific type of boiler. I'm going to learn, there's a lot more to learn, and I need to do a lot of maintenance on that boiler come spring, and I have to shut it down. So thanks to Jay. And I'm almost sure Jay is never going to see this video, but if he does, thank you. Muchas gracias, Jay. And I'm sure your family knows this. You are a rock star. So guys, I'm gonna end this video now, and I'm getting a little hungry, and believe it or not, it looks like it's gonna rain today. Forecast said sun all day. So yeah, I'll take it. I'll take the rain if it does come. So you guys have a great morning, afternoon, or night, wherever you are. Hasta mañana. So I gotta dust myself off now. My wife is gonna kill me.